Now we're getting ready to remove the steering wheel. Here we have this 15mm bolt that needs to get removed, and this is in there quite tight, so you might need a breaker bar. Another thing that to keep in mind is that you need to counter hold the steering wheel. You don't want to put all that force on the steering column because you can damage it. So once you put the socket, make sure it's pressed all the way in and it's not coming out. And you might need a longer wrench right here, maybe like a breaker bar, and then you gotta hold it, the steering wheel, maybe get someone to help you, and then just get this bolt loose. Alright, so that's it. Once it breaks loose, you can remove this bolt right here. One very important thing to keep in mind is that you can see this small line right here, and there's a dot on the column right there. These two will need to line up, otherwise your steering wheel will be tilted to the side when you install it. Now we're getting ready to remove the steering wheel. There's a puller that you can mount here and then just pull it out, but if you just kind of wiggle it a little bit and then pull it out, you should be able to just get it right up. You have these wires disconnected. That right there, and that's it.